Can you quickly tell me what 86 times 84 is? The answer is 7224. Now, I know many of you probably struggled to get this within 5 seconds, but I'm starting a series of mental math videos, and once you go through this series with a little practice, you'll be able to solve calculations like these faster than a calculator. Yes, lightning fast, even faster than the snap of Thanos. And you'll definitely surprise your friends and look way smarter in front of them. All right, are you ready? Let's begin with something very basic. First trick, multiplying any two-digit number by 11. For example, how do you multiply 43 by 11? Of course, we can use the traditional school method, but that takes longer. This trick is much faster. Just write 4 and 3, and in between them, write 4 plus 3, which is 7. That's it. The answer is 473. Let's try another one. 54 times 11. Write 5 and 4. In the middle, write 5 plus 4, which is 9. So the answer is 5, 9, 4. Super simple and super fast. But what if the sum is 10 or more, for example? 68 times 11. Write 6 and 8. In the middle, 6 plus 8 is 14. Now carry the 1 and add it to 6, making it 7. So the final answer is 7, 4, 8. See how fast that was? Now, you might be thinking these tricks work only for special cases. Don't worry, this is just the beginning. This is part 1, and many more tricks are coming. This same method also works with three-digit numbers. For example, 352 times 11. Write 3 and 2. First, add 3 and 5 to get 8, then add 5 and 2 to get 7. So the answer becomes 3872. And again, if any sum crosses 9, just carry forward like before. For example, 574 times 11. Write 5 and 4. Now add 5 plus 7, which is 12. Then add 7 plus 4, which is 11. Now carry 1 here to make it 6, and carry 1 here to make it 3. So the final answer is 6, 3, 1, 4. Amazing, right? We're still faster than a calculator. Now let's move to the next trick. This one is for multiplying two-digit numbers that have the same first digit and end with 5. For example, 75 times 75. Right now, you might be blank, and that's totally normal. Here's the trick. Take the first digit, which is 7, and multiply it by the next number, which is 8. That gives you 56. Now simply add 25 at the end. The answer is 5, 6, 2, 5. Let's try another one. 35 times 35. 3 times 4 is 12. Add 25 at the end. Done. Faster than a calculator, right? Now tell me in the comments, what do you think 95 times 90 is? Ready for the next trick? This one works when both numbers have the same first digit, and the last digits add up to 10. For example, 44 times 46. The first digit in both numbers is 4, and 4 plus 6 equals 10. So multiply 4 by the next number, which is 5, that gives 20. Then multiply 4 and 6, which gives 24. Put them together, and the answer is 2024. Pretty cool, right? Let's try another one. 67 times 63. 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 3 is 21. So the answer is 4221. We're still beating calculators in speed. Now tell me in the comments, what is 89 times 81? You're already starting to think like a human calculator. Make sure you practice these tricks because practice is what makes you insanely fast. And if this video gets 1,000 likes, I'll release part 2 with even more powerful and fun mental math tricks. Thanks for watching.